Are you guys tired of waiting for the media mod from GoPro? And you want to vlog with the GoPro Hero 8? Stick around. I'll show you how. It's very easy. What's up, family and friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hui. Today we are testing out the GoPro Hero 8. And what is the perfect vlogging setup for the GoPro Hero 8? The GoPro Hero 8 is going to come out with the media mod. And they say it's supposed to release in December, and I haven't heard anything yet. So I gotta look for a way to vlog that I can have a perfect audio and GoPro Hero image that I can vlog with. Okay? So what is the perfect vlogging setup? Well, I found one. So it's called the Ulanzi G8-5 is the cage with the audio adapter housing on here, and I think it's the perfect vlogging setup for the GoPro Hero 8. It also has the 52mm equivalent that you can adapt a lens on there, which I have the ND filter on here right now. As you can see, it is super bright right now, about probably 1:30 or 2 in the afternoon. So I am vlogging with the GoPro Hero 8, and I'm holding the GoPro, what's this thing? It's a GoPro long pole, El Rancho long pole? I don't know what it's called. All I know is a long pole. So what do you think of this image? What do you think of the audio? I have the Rode Wireless Go. Also clipping on the Go Wireless Pro is the Rode Lavalier Go. This is the perfect combination for this kind of setup. So everything is wireless right now as far as audio. How's my audio sound? So upon reviewing the clip that I just filmed, the ND filter is not very good. I'm using the KNF ND filter for 52mm size, and I don't think it's that good. It's a slim profile. It's only 20 bucks. Anyways, what do you think about the GoPro Hero 8? Is it good for vlogging? I think so. I think this is a perfect camera setup for vlogging. You can just walk around, talk like normal, and when you travel, this is the very light setup. Let's see, what's my phone at? Let me show you my setup on my phone. So this is what I have here. I have the GoPro Hero 8 in the Ulanzi cage with the microphone adapter housing, and I'm connected with the Rode Wireless Go. Alright, and I have this El Grande. Is it the El Grande or El Rancho? I don't know. It's a GoPro long extension pole. So as you can see, this setup is not that heavy at all. And you know what? What's the good thing about this? I can extend it out. This is as far as I can extend it out. I mean, it's kind of long, right? You can see everything. You don't need a wide angle lens when you have this, you know? Okay, guys, let's do some slow motion. Anyways, what do you guys think about the image? I think it's not bad. GoPro Hero 8 for vlogging. Who would have thought? The GoPro Hero 8. You can use it for action, or you can use it for vlogging. This is awesome. Image quality is pretty good. during the daytime, you need to put some ND filter on there. I don't know, I'm still trying to find that perfect ND filter for the GoPro Hero 8. We got some out there, but what happened when you put on the media mod, then you have nowhere to put the ND filter on. I'm sure somebody will make an ND filter that will fit on the GoPro media mod. So when I'm travel, I'm gonna bring this along. As far as autofocus, man, you cannot beat GoPro for focusing. You will never be out of focus when you buy a GoPro. But it can only be for family, travel, vlogging. I don't think you can use this for professional use, but you know, for travel, vlog, for everyday use like you and me, this is perfect. This will do the job. How am I doing so far? I'm just walking around behind my backyard, but you know, my backyard's not that big, so sorry if you keep on seeing me walking around in a circle. I just want to see, how's the image stabilization? Am I stable in the shot? Not too much shaky? All right. I mean, I think this is a little bit heavy. If you put this cage on, it will be a little bit heavier than just a GoPro by itself. But then again, you have better image quality. No, sorry. But then again, you have better audio quality. So, I mean, the GoPro Hero 8 audio by itself is not that bad. So let me show you the audio on the GoPro Hero 8 without the external microphone, okay? Hello, testing. Now you are hearing me with just the regular internal audio microphone from the Hero 8. What do you think? There is not a lot of wind right now, so I think you should hear me okay. Ooh, there's a wind just right through, so hopefully you can hear that wind. Microphone on the Hero 8 is not that bad, but if there's any kind of wind going through, you will hear it. It will probably muffle the sound a little bit when the wind goes through. But if you have this cage and you put this audio in. Hello, checking, testing. Can you hear me now? Am I sound better? Guarantee you I sound a lot better because I love this Rode Wireless Go. Love it. I love it. Best purchase ever. If you vlog, you need this Rode Wireless Go. This Rode Wireless Go is the bomb. You don't need external recorder where you can sync back in the post. All you need is this Rode Wireless Go. And if you want a better quality, you buy another lavalier from Rode. It's called the Rode Lavalier Go that can fit this Wireless Go. And then you have a perfect setup for vlogging. Okay guys, we must end the video here. I am tired of walking around in a circle. So, if you like my video, hit that like button. Also, subscribe to my channel. Maybe we can go travel together. I will show you the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.